Hey everyone, ever feel like your Qwenlm Ai chat list is getting a little crowded? Too many conversations, making it hard to find what you need. I totally get it. That's why in this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to archive all your chats in Qwenlm Ai. Think of it as giving your chat space as a clean and fresh start. Okay, first things first, let's go to Qwenlm Ai. And make sure that you have logged into your account. After you have logged in, you can see this type of dashboard. Now look for the option for profile icon, which is in top right corner over here. Tap on it. Tapping on the profile icon opens up several options. In order to archive all of your chats, tap on setting icon. And this should take you to the settings section. On the settings section, you can see several options. There's general, interface, model, chats, account, and about. Tap on chats. And on the side section, you can see archive all the chats. Tap on it. Now, Qwenlm Ai might ask you to confirm that if you really want to archive all the chats. This is just a safety check. If you are sure that you want to archive all of them, go ahead, tap on tick, which is over here. And just like that, your chat list should now be more cleaner. Don't worry, archiving doesn't delete your conversation. They are just moved out of your main view to keep things organized. And that's all. See, it's super easy, right? Now you know how to keep your Qwenlm Ai chat space nice and tidy by archiving all your conversation. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.